Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that everything sounds wrong. Not dangerous, not apocalyptic, just wrong. Like the entire planet has been auto-tuned. Now let's talk about what happens when we pump 1% pure helium into Earth's air. Earth's atmosphere is mostly nitrogen and oxygen. Adding 1% helium doesn't sound like much until you remember that helium is the cosmic master of chaos disguised as a balloon gas. Helium is light, really light. It rises faster than your ability to explain to your neighbor that it wasn't you who turned everyone's voice into a cartoon. So what breaks first? The weather, the airplanes, or the people? Let's examine. Helium changes the speed of sound in air. More helium, faster sound waves, higher pitched voices. With 1% helium, your voice won't squeak, but it will shift just enough that you'll think you're losing your mind. Every conversation becomes a subtle torture session where no one can tell what's wrong. Your dog hears you talk and decides not to respect you anymore. Global confusion sets in. Helium rises rapidly, so it gathers higher in the atmosphere, like it's trying to escape from Earth's group project. This slightly changes temperature profiles in the upper layers. The effect is tiny, but weather systems are extremely dramatic creatures. You give them a nudge, they give you a thunderstorm. Expect slightly more turbulent upper air patterns, jet streams acting like they drank 3 espressos, and occasional, "Why is the wind doing that?" moments. Nothing catastrophic, just annoyingly noticeable. Helium-enriched air is less dense. Lower density, slightly lower lift, airplane engines complain. Not fall out of the sky complain. More like, "I didn't sign up for this, please give me 3% more runway." Weather balloons, on the other hand, go absolutely feral. Every high-altitude balloon becomes a runaway speed demon, shooting upward faster than expected, ruining scientific missions and making meteorologists cry. Helium doesn't burn, so with more helium, oxygen becomes slightly less concentrated. Not enough for danger, but enough that candles act like they're shy, campfires get embarrassed, and your lighter suddenly needs emotional support. Meanwhile, scientists realize they can shout into helium-enriched air and get slightly cooler resonance effects. So physics departments celebrate for absolutely no reason. Helium leaks into space easily. It just leaves without a note. So your 1% atmospheric helium slowly escapes the planet like it found a better opportunity elsewhere. Within a few decades, Earth's helium returns to normal. The planet collectively stops sounding weird. Dogs forgive us. Conversations stop feeling cursed. So what happens if we add 1% helium to the air? No explosions, no global disaster, just slightly altered weather, grumpy aircraft engineers, confused pets, and 8 billion people wondering why everyone sounds like a slightly different version of themselves. In short, the world survives, but the planet becomes noticeably awkward.